Hello and welcome back to Seminar Sessions. This is the series that we make car care simple. So in the previous episodes we looked at the accessories to choose and wheel and tyre care. Now we're going to be looking at the best, safest way to wash the vehicle. So first up is an optional step, which is snow foaming. I'm going to go back a little bit in time. So snow foam, there was an evolution from using a sponge, using a wash mitt to becoming a contactless wash. Now the reality is that any wash that you can spray on and just jet wash off was detrimental to the paint surface. So naturally Meguiars weren't involved in the original snow foams. We had our hyper wash that was a 4:1 dilution ratio, but now we've come to market, snow foaming is now an optional pre-wash stage. And in the UK, let's face it, in winter we need it. So we've got our ultimate snow foam, which is a 5:1 dilution ratio. Most importantly, it's wax safe, so it's not going to harm any protection that's on your vehicle. So all you need to do is 500 ml into your cannon and 100 ml of product, mix it away and apply it to the vehicle, allow it to dwell, rinse it away. So as I mentioned, snow foaming is an optional stage. In the UK during the winter months we get really tough salt, road grime, and snow foam is going to break it down and soften those heavy contaminants before you contact wash. As you can see how long it should be on the car for, you'll start to see the snow foam falling away. Typically it's 5 to 10 minutes. So once you've applied it, leave it to dwell and then jet wash it away. So the important bit, the contact wash. We spoke about in the accessories video choosing the right products and the reasons why. We're now just going to talk into those reasons and why we made the decisions we did. So we've got two buckets, and the reason we've got two buckets, you've got a bucket with your shampoo solution in with warm water. I've gone for gold class this week, and also in the bottom of our rinse bucket is our grit guard. Now this nestles into the bottom, and what you do is you take your clean wash mitt, you've rinsed your car down, you prime your wash mitt, you wash a section of the car like so, and essentially what you do is I lift the grit guard out, you rub the mitt. What happens then, the grit falls into the bottom of the bucket and it stops the grit from circulating back up into the bucket, so that you're taking the cleanest possible mitt into your shampoo solution back onto the car. And again, it's all about minimising swirl marks. So you go through those processes, always make sure that you've got your mitts clean and your shampoo solutions clean, and work from the top down so that you're basically keeping the dirty bits till last, or the dirtiest parts of the car till last. So as you'll notice, there's not that much foam on the car. Foam's actually an optical illusion. We believe that foam cleans us in our bodies, so when you're using shampoo, if you've got a high foaming shampoo, you believe you're getting the best wash ever. Suds is actually an optical illusion. So long as you've got the lubricity behind you, then you're doing a good, safe job. So don't worry that there's not a lot of foam on the car. It's just a misconception. So there's a couple of options to rinse the car. You can jet wash it down, which is absolutely fine. What we'd suggest, if time's against you, use an unrestricted flow of water. What that's going to do is sheet onto the panel, but straight away sheet off. As you can see here, what this is doing is minimising your drying time. So on the roof, it floods the panel, but then straight away is flooding off. To recap, we've had the optional step of snow foaming, we've done our contact wash using gold class shampoo with 2 buckets and a wash mitt, we've rinsed it away. Now we're going to dry the car. So I've got our Supreme drying towel, and I've also got a drying aid in our Ultimate Quik detailer. I spoke about using Ultimate Quik detailer or any detailer as a drying aid, but again, it's optional. It just helps to add lubricity to the towel. Water's naturally very hard, but the Supreme Shine drying towel is very soft. You don't have to use it as a drying aid. You can just simply go straight in with the towel, collect the water with one side, buff back the next, and it's done. It's as simple as that. The good thing about the size of these drying towels is you can just turn to a new side and continue to collect water. You very rarely, on some large cars, but you very rarely have to wring them out. So then, that's the car safely washed and dried. So to recap what we've used today, we've used a 2-bucket method. In our shampoo solution bucket, we've used our gold class shampoo. In our rinse bucket, we've just had our grit guard in the bottom, coupled with the accessory of our microfibre wash-mitt. Before this stage, we used the optional stage of using our ultimate snow foam in our snow cannon. This is to pre-soak any heavy contaminants to make your contact wash as safe as possible. To finish it up, we used our Supreme drying towel, and again, optional, ultimate quick detailer for lubricity. So that's it for another episode of Seminar Sessions. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you've liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, just drop them into the comments box and we'll do our best to get back to you with them.